Hello dear traders, you're watching financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasachkina. The US dollar is extending strength for several reasons: uncertainty about Brexit terms, the lack of notable progress in the trade talks between the US and China, and global risk aversion sentiment. The US currency opened a new trading day with a steady rally. The US dollar index touched a one-month high at near 97.40. The index has been growing for 6 sessions in a row. Besides, upbeat Manufacturing PMI from the Institute for Supply Management reinforced its upward bias. The US dollar hit a 2-week high versus the Japanese yen because fading concerns about weakness in the global economy lifted yields of the US Treasuries, which slumped to the lowest level in 15 months 2 weeks ago. The dollar-yen pair is trading sideways at about 111.40. Earlier, the yen rose to 111.46, the highest level since March 20. The Australian versus the US dollar pair slumped 40 pips from 0.7130 immediately after the Reserve Bank of Australia announced its policy decision. In a widely expected move, Australia's regulator left the official cash rate unchanged at a historic low of 1.5%. The board acknowledged a gloomy picture in the foreign trade. Besides a downturn in the housing market, dents investors' confidence. As a result, the Australian versus the US dollar pair could fall even deeper before an annual budget is released later today. The market assumes the budget statement to signal tax cuts. The Russian ruble is struggling to regain losses after a plunge at the end of the last week. The dollar-ruble pair rebounded to 65.64. The ruble is again facing a threat of Western sanctions. The tax filing period expired, so amid the lack of support, the ruble could weaken back to 65.66 against the US dollar. Meanwhile, the US dollar is winning favor with investors amid global economic uncertainty. Today, the market-moving event is a report on the US durable goods orders for February. The data is likely to discourage investors. Keep track of the latest news on InstaForex TV channel. Bye.